How to use Temu without credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Temu without credit card. So first of all, just open Temu on your smartphone, and after that you have to make a purchase for anything that you would like to shop from Temu. I've already added a product in my cart in Temu, so I'm going to open that. You can select any product as per your choice and go to your cart. Once you are in your cart, you have to proceed and check out with the particular product that you want to purchase, and just click on checkout. And now you have to enter your details with all your informations right here, and on the next page you will see the option to add a payment method. So in that case, all you have to do is just select any other payment method except credit card, since you don't want to use your credit card while using Temu. So you can go ahead and use Afterpay, PayPal, or any other payment method that are available there, and accept your credit card. So this is how you will be able to use Temu without credit card. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.